Simple waypoint missions are great for making difficult drone moves easy. A good way to make a video more watchable is to use a variety of shots, such as wide, medium and close-ups, linked together to best convey the story. Smooth camera movements in a video clip can improve interest. The more dimensions in the move, the better, making it more cinematic. With static subjects such as a church, I often like to have the camera moving slowly, from one nicely framed shot to another. Three-dimensional movements like these are difficult to achieve manually, and time-consuming to get just right. This is where a simple waypoint mission can be used efficiently and effectively to make such shots a breeze. The first thing is to position the drone at the starting point and frame the shot. Then to press the waypoints icon on the left side of the screen. Press the triple dots to adjust the global settings. In this case, I set the global speed and end of flight option to hover. Register the start waypoint of the mission. Maneuver the drone to the end point, framing the camera as required. Then register the second waypoint. Go back to the first waypoint and set camera action to start recording. And set the second waypoint camera action to stop recording. Now I start the mission. As you can see, I have a framed video shot, which moves effortlessly in 3 dimensions, giving it a cinematic quality. Here's another example. Again, just 2 waypoints set, making sure the camera is framed correctly at both positions. The global parameters are set as before, and the waypoint parameters are set to start and stop recording, also as before. The mission suspends unexpectedly, too close to a tree. Fortunately, the recording has not yet started. So I manually maneuver the drone to somewhere close to the first waypoint and then resume the mission. Again, I have a video shot nicely framed throughout, moving smoothly in 3 dimensions. Hope you found the video useful.